Hi, I'm Jasmine. In industry, cleaning different types of surface contaminant and materials require different solutions. Pulse and continuous laser cleaning machines each have their own advantage. This video will explain why both are essential in the professional laser cleaning field. Welcome to the HANTENCNC channel. Let's get started. Laser cleaning use high peak power. Short pulse tube pressures remove oxide, paint, and coating without damage in the base material. Perfect to operation mode, heritage restoration, and sensitive surface. The continuous laser cleaning machine delivers a stable high-power laser beam. With its high energy density and large coverage area, it's perfect for removing thick rust, large coating, and stubborn contaminant. Continuous laser excel in heavy industry cleaning, such as shipbuilding, steel structures, and rail transportation. The difference in principle and characteristics between pulse and continuous lasers give them distinct advantage for different tasks. For example, in car or ship restoration project, you can first use a continuous laser to quickly remove large-scale contaminant, then switch the pulse laser for areas that require more precision and care for the base material. This approach boosts efficiency while ensuring high cleaning quality. No single technology is a one-size-fits-all solution. For diverse applications, combining both technology flexible can deliver more stable and controllable results. Whether you need high-speed rust removal or precise, non-destructive cleaning across different materials, HANTENCNC can provide the most suitable laser cleaning solutions for you. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below and get in touch with us. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.